In our fast-paced world, it is hard to find silence and unplug from the hecticness of our schedules. Our schedules can be overcrowded and over-demanding. In the hustle and bustle of our days, we're doing a million things. We're driving around, we're putting our seatbelts on, taking a sip of our coffee, putting our lipstick on. And in our society, we call that craziness multitasking. No wonder we get fatigued and stressed out. How many times do you really unplug from the noise and the busyness of your world through silence and solitude? Silence from temporarily abstaining yourself from speaking and really listening to your thoughts, and the solitude to temporarily abstain yourself from people and really being alone with your thoughts and focusing on your day and where you want to go. And sometimes in the hecticness, we feel that we can't pull away. I've got to be here, I've got to do this, I've got to be with this person. And in the end, we're fatigued, we're burned out, we're stressed out. So what's the payoff of being alone with your thoughts and with yourself? You're connecting with the successes of your day. You're connecting with your goals. You're connecting with the direction where you want to go. And you're even connecting and reflecting with the failures of your day. And in the end, you have more self-control of your thoughts. So go ahead and try it. Silence in a moment of solitude. See what happens.